How do I print the full NumPy array, without truncation? When I print a NumPy array, I get a truncated representation, but I want the full array.
Use numpy.set_printOptions.
I suggest using np.inf instead of np.nan, which is suggested by others. They both work for your purpose, but by setting the threshold to infinity it is obvious to everybody reading your code what you mean. Having a threshold of not a number seems a little vague to me.
Temporary setting. You can use the print options context manager. Of course, replace NumPy by NP if that's how you imported NumPy. The use of a context manager, the with block, ensures that after the context manager is finished, the print options will revert to whatever they were before the block started. It ensures the setting is temporary and only applied to code within the block. See NumPy.printOptions documentation for details on the context manager and what other arguments it supports. It was introduced in NumPy 1.15, released July 23, 2018.
The previous answers are the correct ones, but as a weaker alternative you can transform into a list.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.